this guide, we'll discuss 4 easy methods to halt Google Photos syncing on various platforms, including Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac. Whether you're an avid smartphone photographer or a casual snapper, these steps will mitigate your storage concerns. Part 1. How to stop Google Photos from syncing on Android. Open Google Photos and click on your profile picture. Select Photos Settings Backup and Sync. Switch off Backup and Sync to halt Google Photos uploads. Part 2. How to stop syncing photos to Google Photos on iPhone. Launch the Google Photos app on your device. Tap your profile picture, then select Google Photos Settings. On the subsequent screen, opt for Backup and Sync to stop Google Photo uploads. Deactivate the toggle beside Backup and Sync. Part 3. How to turn off Google Photos Backup on computer. 3.1 By unchecking Photos. Log into the Backup and Sync app on your PC Windows. Select Preferences, My Computer, Google Drive. Deselect Backup to Google Photos. 3.2 By quitting Backup and Sync app. Open Google Drive for desktop on your computer. Click the settings icon to access various options. Select Quit Backup and Sync. Extra tip: use a worry-free Google Photos alternative. Google Photos shares 15 GB free with Google Drive. If cloud space is insufficient, use computer storage for media. Instead of stopping Google Photos sync on Android, try Mobikin Assistant for Android, Windows, Mac for seamless content transfer.